Hey YouTube, this is Carl with Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Appreciate you for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to be making sweet and sour chicken. Really simple recipe. This is a recipe that was requested by my man Larry Beacham. Shout out to Larry Beacham. And you know, I appreciate everybody that watches these videos. You know, I hope that you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can get all the upcoming videos. Give a thumbs up and leave a comment, you know, and leave some feedback. All right, so I appreciate it. So let's get to this video. I have bean sprouts. I have broccoli, fresh chopped garlic, scallions or green onions. This is a tempura batter, which consists of flour, cornstarch, water, and a little bit of baking powder. All right, and I put a little bit of parsley flakes in there as well. Get that out of the way. Over here I have yellow, red, and green bell peppers. Also have a little bit of ginger, sesame seeds, sesame oil, and of course the sweet and sour sauce. Oh, have some pineapple and of course the chicken as well. All right. So the first thing we'll do is start chopping my vegetables. And I got my oil heating up. I'm just using canola oil to fry the tempura batter chicken. Alright, first thing we'll do is cut up my vegetables. Onion all chopped up. Do my scallions next. I'm gonna keep my scallions separate because they're gonna cook a lot faster than everything else. All right, get my broccoli cut up. I'm actually going to put the broccoli on the side. I'm just going to do, you know, some large florets. Just on the side. Just right here. My bean sprouts, so I'm just going to take out what I need. Alright, so got about almost a cup of bean sprouts. Get these out the way. Alright, so that's everything. That's all my vegetables that are cut up. Now I have the pineapple. So now they're gonna go into my tempura batter, which is already made. Mix that around. And from here, they're gonna go into the grease. Should have enough room to do them all. If not, yeah, I'll be able to fit them all in. But I'm using a wok. You know, you don't have to use a wok, but I have one, so I'm gonna use it since it's an Asian dish. All right, chicken is just about done. Right there, golden brown. So now I'm getting ready to do everything other than the chicken. So I'm going in with sesame oil. That should be good. Alright, so I'm gonna cook the things that take the longest to cook first. So in here is my diced bell peppers, onions. I told you I had ginger. I chopped the ginger up and put it in with it. Right. Put in about a half tablespoon of garlic. All right, next I'm going in with my pineapple. Going in with my bean sprouts. I think that's a little too much, so I'm gonna do half of them. Going in with half of my scallions. Going in with sweet and sour. starting to look official now. And I got my wife Carrie. She's the camera lady tonight. And just so y'all know, this is a request by my man Larry Beacham. He wanted the brown rice with it, so brown rice and broccoli. So I did everything the way he asked. Now, getting ready to go on my chicken. Mix everything together. A little bit of parsley for color. All right, Larry, how'd that look, man? Wish you could taste it. All right, let me plate one up for you. Using brown rice. Like I said, this was a request by a friend of mine. Broccoli. A little bit of scallions, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of sesame seeds. All right, there you go. For my man Larry Beacham, sweet and sour chicken, brown rice, steamed broccoli. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to have more recipes like this. I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate you supporting. I appreciate you watching this video. And just keep coming to the channel. I'm going to keep putting up those videos for you. All right. Also share this video if you think it's worth your while. Hit the notification bell, and once again, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.